Hi guys, so some of you have been asking how to wash your hair with a shampoo bar. So I thought, seeing as it's hair washing day, I would show you how I do it. So currently the one that I've got here, this is midway through, so this one is by Funky Soap, but the zero waste path ones are also really good. I sort of alternate between them, so I'm using this one at the minute. It's really easy to use, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So first step is wet your hair. So I'm just going to wet that now. Turn on the shower. Get some water in my eyes. Okay, so when your hair is nice and wet, what I do, so what you can do either is lather it on your hand like that, but I actually find it easier to just rub it straight into my scalp. So if you just do it like this, so I'm literally just rubbing it into the top of my hair. I think it's easier. Watch, again, water in my eyes. I'm also wearing my Batoko swimsuit, which I absolutely love because I'm obsessed with sharks. Look, it's got sharks on it. And it's made 100% from recycled plastic. So another one of those, you can check them out. We've written about them before, so if you just go down and you can read all about Batoko as well. So here you can see I'm just rubbing it in. I'll rub it on this bit as well, on the bottom of your hair. I only wash my hair once a week, and it's literally changed my life. So I use these all the time and they last for so long. I've had this one I think for about, well, I use them on and off so it's hard to tell exactly, but this one I've had for about 2 months now and it's still this big, so it will last you a long time. So I just rub it all over like that. So all in my hair, put it down, I've got to close my eye because I've got shampoo in it. That's what happens. So I've never seen myself, can't say I've ever seen myself wash my hair in the mirror like this, but here you go. So just rub it in like that and you can see that it's like lathered. So just make sure it goes all the way through the roots. Down so you can see what I'm doing. I've got curly hair as well, so the different ones sort of do different things for your hair, but I found that these just last, and all that I do then is just brush my hair and that's absolutely fine, and that lasts for a week. So there, it's all nicely lathered, so now I'm going to wash it out. Turn the shower on. So, and then you just wash it out like you would wash out your normal shampoo. Perfect. My eyes. Ta-da! And there is my hair. So now all that I'm going to do is brush my hair, and I've washed it and that's ready for a week. So yeah, it's really that easy. Don't know why I haven't switched. If you haven't switched, you should switch now. But yeah, you can take a look and you can get those on the shop as well, even part of the starter pack. So if there are a few things you're looking at, you can get it as part of the starter pack. So yeah, that's how you do it. Let me know if you have any other questions or want to know what else I do with my hair, but really it is that simple. See you later.